Actually, daghan man familiar ani kaso dili lang yun nila ka-apply. Unlike sa empleyado ka, nga mosulod kag 8 o'clock in the morning and mo out ka 5 o'clock in the afternoon. What is passive income and why is it important? Imagine earning money even while you sleep, you travel, or you spend time with your family. That is the power of passive income. Actually, daghan man familiar ani kaso dili lang yun nila ka-apply. So, unsa gid ning passive income? This is the money you earn even when you are not working for it. You are not trading your time for it. Unlike sa empleyado ka, nga mosulod kag 8 o'clock in the morning and mo out ka 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Ang passive income is that you keep on earning money even when you are not working. What are these examples of passive income? The very, very common, kaning mga rental income. Muning gaparenta ta og balay, pwede sakyanan, pwede any nga properties or any nga butang nga imuhang iparent. It's a passive income kay wala na nimo pagtrabaho, di ba? Moabot lang siya on monthly basis or pwede kinsina. Another nga passive income example I'm gonna give you is kaning stock dividends. This is very common among companies. Nakay-stock din ha, you are a shareholder, nakay-income through the dividends. Another example is affiliate marketing. Affiliate ka sa Shopee, Lazada, Shopify, TikTok, meaning tindera ka nila. You have that custom link. You will promote a product. Pwede mo i-post sa Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Then if someone is gonna click your link, gonna buy your product, and for every successful nga purchase by a customer, nakay commission. So that's affiliate marketing. It's still a passive income. Royalties, not very common, pero I will give you examples. 3 examples about royalties. First is the kind of music, 'di ba? Pag mag-produce og music, kaning mga songwriters, singers, kausa lang ba? Pero every time nga i-play siya sa radio, every time nga gigamit siya sa movies or ahaba siya gi-stream kaning mga applications ana gigamit imong music for public use, for public purpose. Every time nga gamiton ang imong music naa kay madawat nga royalty. It's a passive income. Kay sige ra gyud na siya. It's just a steady income flow. Second example of royalty para mas masabtan is kaning libro, 'di ba? The production of a book, kaning author na siya libro, i-produce sa usa ka publisher, ang publisher mag-distribute sa libro, magbaligya. And for every book sold, adunay royalty nga madawat si author. Last example is kaning mga franchising. This franchisee will pay a certain amount to the franchisor for the benefit nga magamit niya ang brand, ang system, and of course there will be a continuous support nga madawat ni franchisee from the franchisor. Kana passive income na siya kana mga royalties. Lastly, kaning digital products. Ang examples ani kaning mga e-books, mga softwares, mga downloadable files, mga printable arts, video games, applications. In short, these are intangible products delivered electronically rather than a physical format. It's another example of a passive income kay for only one product, kapila na siya mo generate og income sa imo, di ba? Only one product pero multiple times nimo siya mabaligya. Kani ako mga na-mention nga mga passive incomes, no? Mga examples of passive income, once everything is set, continuous na gid ni siya nga income flow for you. Ngano importante man ang passive income? I will give you 3 reasons nganong importante siya. First, kay tungod passive income man it will lead you to financial freedom. And then, it creates security during uncertain times. Unsa man ni uncertain times? For example, kaning mga emergencies, ay nagsakit, ay na hospital, or any kind of emergency that will come our way, di ba? Unexpectedly. Third, it allows you to spend more time on things that matter most. Unsa man ni sila? Family, your health, your passion. Ang impact sa passive income is long term. Di ba? You're not just working for money, but the money is working for you. Over time, makatigom jud ka, or shall we say it, mudato jud ka, especially kung kahibalo ka mag-handle sa imuhang kwarta, you know how to manage your finances, makaipon jud ka. Ma-reduce mo ang stress, kaya of course, this is another source of income. It's just passive. Even when you are not working, na ay income nga mosulod. Of course, with passive income, it creates you a better future for you, for your family, for your loved ones. So, unsa pa man atong gihulat? Unsa pa man imong gihulat? You have to start building your passive income today. Don't wait. You have to start it today. It would be very nice to know your thoughts. It will be very much appreciated if you leave a comment in the comment section. And if you find this video valuable, please share. Once again, this is Florence reminding you that Yaman starts with Kalaman. See you in my next video.